Today I'm going to make a bookmark with a card paper. First of all, I'm going to take a card paper. Then I'm going to fold it as shown in the video. After that, I will cut the remaining part. Now I will fold the card paper as shown in video. Now again fold it. And open it. And join the card paper as shown in the video. Now we will cut the parts which we fold. Like this video. After cutting, start joining it again. Like this video. Comment on my video. And put it in the empty space. After that, we are going to design our bookmark. Comment on my video. And you can design it by your own choice. I had made some other templates as you can see in the video. Like this video. If you like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.